Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Tojilhamo again. And as you can see, I'm just done with the shower. I was here at home early in the morning at 7 o'clock from my night shift, and then I took a nap, or not a nap, a proper sleep for maybe like 3 hours, and I'm up again. I took a shower and I'm out and I'm gonna get ready. It's Saturday and I'm going out just to do my nails today. Yeah, I'm doing my nails. Woohoo! Yes, I'm doing my nails, and I have my friend Ashika waiting there at the city. So I'm just gonna get ready and then I'm gonna get ready and then head towards the nail salon. After that, I have a few things to do, like pick up some stuff from the market, and then we have a dinner today at one of my Asian's place, just because like it is a post, not post actually, it is like blessed rainy day. We couldn't celebrate it yesterday since every one of us working, so we are gonna do it today, and also because like there are other good reasons for it all, and yeah, we got a lot of good things, good reasons to celebrate. So yes, stay connected with me the whole time. Alright guys, so I'm done with my face makeup. I've done the minimalist, not too much. It's just my go-to makeup whenever I'm in hurry. So that's it. I've done my brows. Have nothing on my lashes because like I'm gonna do it on it first, and some few stuff on my face, and that's it. Alright, I'll show you my outfit. That's my outfit. Outfit for the day. Alright, so I reached here, and this is the place where I'm gonna go selling nails. That's the place where I'm gonna go selling nails, and I'm waiting for my friend. While I wait for my friend, I'll just head in. Alright, so you have to got to select name from number from there, and then from here. So mine is 101. That's the 101. Show me yours. I feel like this one is the one. No. What you think? Yeah. Oh, there? Yeah. Or maybe this one. No?
Maybe I'll go with this one. Yeah?
This one? 197? I'll get it for you. Which one is it? You choose. Just don't go for bright ones.
Yeah, I'll go with this one.
197? Okay, you need to pick it up from here then. 197 should be 9194. That's 97. There you go. So that's yours. 197. Ready? Are we supposed to go that side? Thank you. Alright. And I'm just gonna go with this one.
Oh, I will definitely.
So yun eh.
Way too different.
It's just a photo effect though. Are you excited? Leave on Monday. Macam kulis ni attract juga color. Nice. Ashika. Yeah. Ooh, it's a clutch. Nice. You buy that one. I'll get this one, Ashika, and we can go like, hey boo. We're like, hey boo. Let's see if we got more glittering over there. Black ones are nice, yeah. See? Macam bagus ni. Clutches. Sale, 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 sale. I can't. I'll just make it. It looks good. Show me on your with your fingernail. Oh wow. Which one looks prettier? I feel the snake one looks prettier. Yeah. Oh wow, this looks nice. Yeah, that looks nice.
That can go with this one.
Which one? Yeah. No, it looks good. Ashika and I got engaged now.
Just now.
Yeah. Ashika.
We are happily engaged couple.
It's just one-sided. Unrequited love. We're gonna get it cake from Cheesecake. But we don't. Yeah, but no, I had also no idea. Alright. Hi! Alright. Actually, which one do you like? You usually go for the white ones or the brown ones? How much chocolatey ones? Caramel one I really don't like it. But the people out here, they prefer caramel one, isn't it? So now I'm back with Chedu. I dropped Ashika back to her home, and then yes, we are heading now for a dinner at Ashikala's place. So we have few stuff to pick up. I've already got her cake here, and then we have to pick up some celery on our way, and then we have to do a few shoppings, not much, just a few shoppings, and then we are heading for a dinner. So we'll see you there. By the way, I just wanted to flaunt my new nails. It's nice. Let's see how long it will last. It just makes my it's nice. So we are here to get some vodka, pineapple.
Pineapple and blue.
Yeah, passion and rose. And what's this one? I found this one. Membership. Strawberry flavor cream liqueur with tequila. Oh, that's a tequila. Nung çünkü yanları başlarına Adi, lucu gossip. Just see, this is so cheap. Oh, look at the colors, baby. This bottle color. It's really nice. Where did you see the gossip? Fancy florals here.
No touch, no.
Touch mo, it's a cocktail, Ajim.
It is a hente.
Handy.
Hente. No, I'm just joking. Using cocktail, no, I'm saying hente.
Hey, handy.
Shallow, shallow, I'm far from the shallow now. 내가 지금 미시네.